Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to do this moon shape. And for this moon shape we need 16 chain. I already done I have 16 chain here. I'm going to do I skip first one and second one. I'm going to do single stitch. The next one I'm going to do single stitch again. Next chain I'm going to do single stitch again. Third one I'm going to do two double crochets in the same chain. 1 2. Next one I'm going to do 1 double crochet. Next one I'm going to do 2 double crochets in the same chain. And next one I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and next one I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the same chain. And now I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the next one, and next 3 I am going to do 3 single crochets. For 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, second single crochet, and third one single crochet, and last one I'm going to do slip stitch. And I need to go this round again. I have 1 chain. I'm going to do 1 slip stitch here, the other side, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet, for 1 single crochet for each chain. And last one I'm going to do slip stitch. And this is I've cut my yarn, my moon. If you have anything to ask or anything to mention, please let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.